Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of the mail time. After I waited for that to publish, I got cereal. Yes, and I'm happy about that. But yeah, my friend gifted me a few things which I'm very happy for, but she didn't need to gift me. So yeah, let's get started. First gift, I don't think I can talk today. A gift. AJ wristband. Wow, thank you. Pugs, what's up? What's up, Pugs? Okay, that's cool. I'm about to lock my dad because I can't, it'd just be a shame if I can't talk to them. Okay. Quilted blanket. Thank you. Okay. Mech angel wings. Thank you. The way. Frozen Chase of the Lounge. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that, but thank you. Hi back. Oh, whoa, an open sign. That's beta. Thank you, Dalmatian. Oh, no, I know how to say this. Dalmatian 199. No, 19. Oh my god, 199. Yes, there we go. I'm not that rare here. Gift back. Oh, jeez. Okay. Thank you. That's here. Yes. When are you posting the vid? I am posting it now. Oh, and also thank you for 19 subscribers. It's almost at 20. I'll be so happy. At 30 subscribers, I'll be giving away this wristband. So yeah. To win, just comment down below your username and there. Okay, I will gift you this rare beautifulness right here. No, anyway, wait. There we go. Oh, that didn't even land. Okay, Mech Angel, the rare Mech Angel wings it is. Yeah. I'm gonna just take a bite of my cereal because I'm hungry and I haven't ate and it's morning, so. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's nice. She wasn't accepting. I can. Oh, okay. You're not accepting, but you requested there. If you're watching this vid, can you send me just jamagram me? Like, don't send me anything, just jamagram me, but with your jamagram unlocked because I need to gift you back. When are you posting the vid? I am posting it today, actually. Unwanted rare. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And the other one, XD. Rare woven hat. Thank you. Oh, just take them all. Just take them. Oh, thank you again. Here's a gift. Oh, I actually like those, even though they're in stores, but I like those. It says you recorded last hour ago. Yeah. Rare big bow. Hey, good morning. Morning. Low game. What's popping? Wait, what did you just gift? I forgot, but thank you. Hey, you my buddy, aren't ya? Yes, of course I am. I'm a fan. Thank you. Yes, a big fan. Thank you. A sword. Thank you. Are those in stores? Are those in stores? Yes, they are in stores. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Hey, hi back. Okay. Animaljam rocks. Yes, I am almost done. Rare antlers. Thank you so much. Okay, also, I will be in my den if you need me. Okay, thank you. Here, for your mailbox. Thank you. Okay. Yes, I got through all of them, and I'm so happy. So basically, I got rare blanket, rare hood with feathers, rare antlers, Jamale ear cuffs, muffs, sword, glove. Oh, that's what they said. Okay, thank you. I actually have 3 of those. I can give away that too. Furry cuffs, rare bowler hat, rare woven hat, rare shutter shades, mech angel helmet, quilted blanket, AJ wristband, this rare spiked collar, which is, I am very surprised you gifted that, but thank you so much. Rare spiked collar, the diamond shop, arm cuffs, a necklace, like, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have time to say, but like, all of that, yes, all of these, besides that, watch right there. Yeah, thank you everybody. Now let's move on to the giveaway, and I'm gonna pause this video. Only like 3 people commented their username, which is sad, but oh well, let's just see. Okay, like a boss 1. Okay, so let me just go over here. Like a boss. Wait, is that all? 9, okay. 9. Oops. Wait, did I do it right? Like, oh no, I didn't. Wait, did I? Like, oops. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch that. Okay. Did you quit or something? Did I do anything right? Hold on, let me go back to YouTube and figure it out. I just forgot the 1, 1, and 23. Okay, this is you. Congratulations, you won a rare bow and arrow. Bow. Okay, congratulations, you won that rare bow and arrow. Hurry up. Come on. Yes. Okay. Send. Okay, well, I'm running out of cereal. Oh, okay. There you go. Oh yeah, I'm actually your, buddy. That's great. Thank you very much. You helped me a lot. And yeah. Thank you guys, for those who gifted me. Shout out to my buddy, right, oh, okay, I don't mean to press that. Right here. Shout out to you. I'm gonna get sounded lucky. Clover Adventure, but shout out to you. I am very happy about what you guys gifted me. It helped so much, and voice crack. Anyways, actually I could, add this elephant to my giant, collection over here. And I don't have that. Yay, that's exciting news. Open sign, how much do I have of that? No, just this one? Yay, thank you. I guess I could put it like right here. There we go. And water fountain. This I've never seen before. I could put in the, Sir Gilbert's, yeah. Okay. So, I guess, yeah. Oh, okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just remove, that, and this, and replace it with that. There we go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait. Okay, yeah, my throat is like very tired right now. Okay, there we go. Soon as we get to 30 subscribers, I will be giving away this wristband right here. Oh no, I need to put back on my armor. I'll be giving away that pink wristband. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.